Guys, good evening. Welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel, no? Hindi man ito maano guys. Galing to sa Malacanang. This is from Malacanang. Yan, Argentina. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa ganito. I don't like to eat this one. Oh, meron na namang pork and beans, Hans. And you know, it's a big mega sardines. Mega sardines. Ayan. Then I have also pancit. And also they have, I don't know, we have a rice, no? Ilipat natin ang rice. Ilipat natin ang rice natin. Diba? Hindi ako bibili ng rice because I have rice. Sali natin ito. Kasi iba yung bigay. Ito kasi binibili kong bigas. 63 ang isang kilo. Yan. And then, magluto tayo after that. Ngayon lang ako nalito, guys. Ngayon lang talaga ako nalito. Kasi, gusto ko ngayon lang ako maligo. Magdamag ako dito. Natulog ako. Then, I am late to, kasi walang pasok si Little Inday. Alas, so wasing for nose, you know. I am the teacher. I don't like the course education, but I am the one who teaches Little Inday. I don't know. Grabe man pagkabuhulan yung kain. Sayang kasi ang plastic, so need natin. Hindi na ko gultingin na lang. Ay, naasad na ako. Gultingin na lang natin ang plastic, guys. So, ayun ko kung anong klaseng bigas naman ito. So, ay oh my God. Parang ang ganda ng bigas, guys. So, very, ganda ng bigas. Nila natin. Bagong bigas siya, guys. Bagong ani. Bagong ani. Hindi po siya NFE. Mabahong bigas. So, I have rice. No? So, for today's video, magluluto tayo. Bago akong ligo, guys. Nilalagay ko yung ulo ko ng Dito ay pansit. Pansit na rin natin dyan. Baka makita nyo ang aking puwit. Nakapanti lang po ako. At ako'y nakapanti lang. Baka makita nyo ang aking baka makita nyo ang aking mga kapuwitan. O, diba? Maiksi lang po ang aking sinuot kasi gabi na. I did. Tika lang na guys. Ay, meron pala dito yung coil leaf. Ano po ka, Argentina beeflo pang matuloy ko sa inyo ha, siguro.
Ipisan mo lang ha?
Magbaon. Oo.
Ipisan mo lang.
Kasi magbaon din si Sisi.
Ang tigas?
Hindi naman ako mahilig kumain yan. So, siyempre, ikimbot mo, ikimbot mo. Hindi ka lang bababaan tayo. Baka makita mo ang ating mga kabilatan dyan. So, hatiin natin ang sardinas, guys. Before magsabaw, mag-isa din tayo. Kasi, malaki kasi ang nito, laman. Malaki kasi siya. It is so bigger. So, bigger. So, una natin mag-isa muna tayo. After that, walang kutsara. Kasi sobrang in province, guys, I tell you frankly, guys, in the province, if you have bayans like this, you are rich. But if you have if your bayans is crab, seafoods, all seafoods like crab, like squid, shrimp, and also the lobster. No, you are not. You are not rich because if you are living on my barangay in Balaga, that's my name of my YouTube channel in the Mercy in Balaga, Bohol. If you are living there, you can eat free like shrimp, crab, a lot lobster, a lot of seafood because I'm living at the near of the sea. So if you are hardworking, you eat freely. But you know guys, why in the Mers did not eat?
Mak mo itama.
Bilisan mo, did not eat at the, what do you call that, seafood restaurant? Because you know, sawa na po ako. Sawa na po ako sa pagkain seafoods, di ba? Minsan nga bumibili ako, but you know guys, even bumibili ako, kasi pag nabis ko lang. Pero, someone's telling na if you eat seafoods, you are rich, no? And my barangay and my hometown in Bohol, if you are eating seafoods, you are not rich. It is a ordinary food. Oh, you know. But if you eat sardines, you are the rich. If you are eat sardines, you know guys, you are the rich people in Bohol. Oh my God, diba? Kaya ako hindi ko pinagmamayabang yung seafoods na yan. I don't need to na ipagmamayabang ko yan because normal food lang yan sa amin yung mga seafood na yan. It's a normal food. You know? Kaya why Inday is always eating Jollibee? Because if you are eating at Jollibee, you are rich. I put sugar. Ganyan po ako guys pag nagluto ng sardinas, gisado. Uy, baka makita ang lubot ko. Makita ang panty. My God. Binabantayan ko talaga yan, guys. Baka makita ang aking panty. Oh my God. Someone is no? Yan po ang ulam namin today. So, I am rich tonight. But you know guys, some people, so very marky na, hindi na daw sila kakain ng sardinas, kaya nakapag-abroad na. Oh my God. No, like that. Porque nakapag-abroad kayo, hindi na kayo kakain ng sardinas, no. Sa akin, siguro, for example, even I'm going to rich, I eat what I ate before, not you are what do you call that one? You are level up. You didn't eat like this, no like that, no. Kasi ako guys, I'm not maarky na people, no. Even siguro na yumaman ako, I'll never sin. I'll never change what I've done before. Bakit kayo magbago pag yumaman? Ganun din tao pa rin kayo. At mabaho pa rin ang tae nyo. At kumakain pa rin kayo, di ba? Ganyan dapat. Huwag magbago kung anong mga nakasanayan, kung anong mga kinain natin before. What did you eat before? Don't change. Nothing change. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Like that. Di ba? Kasi guys, hindi mo naman kailangan na magmayabang ka. Hindi mo naman kailangan na ipagmalaki mo. Na gano'n, no like that. Simple luto lang yan. I'm going to cook Sunday.
Alasan na yun po yan?
Ha?
Anong subject yan?
Yap. Ang derive.
This one, I'm cooking this one for the udong. mahirap kayo guys, maranasan ito. Ganito kasarap na pagkain. Upload tayo ngayon kasi ako, ayusin ko pa yung ano ko. O kaya alisin ko na lang vlog na kung mayroong ano doon sa isitan. Kasi nag-upload ako guys, copyright. So maybe, ay tanggal-tanggal. Saan tayo banda may copyright. So ayan, this is the So si Ganggang naman, pag pinabili ko pag pinabili kita, kaya di ako nag-iipon, peso lang.
Ayan yung binigay.
Ayan yung binigay. Kasi yan ang anong walang tag-peso, ako malukuhin mo. Ang mamalingki ako araw-araw, doon loko-loko mo. Hindi nyo ako maluloko, di ba? Wala na, tago na. Lukuhin nyo na lang mga sarili nyo, basta wag ako. Kasi ako, alam ko yan. Diba? This one guys, this is called udong. This is like noodles. Ilan binili mo? Bakit parang konti lang? Isang balot ba to? Kasi sarado eh. Magkano to te?
40.
Saan ka ba bumili?
Nasa binibilang mo sa akin bilang ko.
Oh. 4 6 8, ayan, 40 kasi 5 piso isa. Per ganito guys, per ganito 5 pesos. So this is called special udong. Special udong made this is love. If you are Bisaya, you love to eat this one. It's look like spaghetti. This is called udong, but it is belongs also in like noodles, like the so you know guys. Masarap talaga to siya guys. Ay! Putra guys. May pulutin mo yung iba, may. Dali, may. Isa-isahin mo ang pulutin mo. Iabot mo kay mama. Lagay mo sa lamisa. O diba? Baliktad pala. Bukas na pala. Kasi...
Nasisira sa ginawa ko.
nasisira siya pag ginawakan mo. Lagay mo dyan.
Isa pa.
Kasi baliktad pala, oh. Ano pala siya? Butas na sa... Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko niluto yan, guys. This is my favorite noodles when I was in Bohol, when I was grew up. Like that. Ganito po ang pagkain namin. Simple lang po ang buhay namin. In my place, sagana po kami talaga sa guys, seafoods. On my place in Balaga. Sagana po kami sa seafood, guys. Hindi ko naranasan na manginhas doon sa mismong panginhasan namin dati. Pwede sana, kaso lang it's a high tide. The low tide is night na. Night na kasi ang so this is the sardinas. So, di ba? Pag magluto tayo, walang arte-arte. Kasi alam nyo, hindi naman siguro tayo pinanganak agad na mayaman, no? Swerte nyo na kung pinanganak kayo sa mayaman. Pero alam nyo ba guys, karamihan, ang mahihirap pag yumaman, nagbabago. Pero ako kasi hindi sa pagmamayabang, when I was in my child moment, guys, nabilong po ako sa hindi mayaman, hindi rin mahirap. You know that? Bibinong ka, hindi ka mayaman, hindi ka rin mahirap. Ganon. Ganon po ang family. My family is belongs to, not rich, not poor. In the middle. Diba? Nasa ako, kung ang pinakamahirap ay ang pinakamayaman ay class E ako. Kasi lumaki po talaga kami sagana. Sagana po talaga kami sa pagkain. I was Pero when my father is died, because my father is died, I am 7 years old. Like that. When my father is died, guys, doon ko naranasan ang kahirapan. Ang ganda ko kahit di ba? Bahala kayo dyan. Ganyan ako, guys. Kung anong hinubaran kong damit, yan po ang pulupot ko sa buhok ko. When my father is died, doon ko naranasan yung hirap ng buhay. Kasi lumaki na lang ako. I am growing at my grandmother, the side of my father. Then, ayun, nagawa ko lahat. I'm very independent person. When I was in my young age moment, and then natuto. I know everything, and then I am. If you want to eat shrimp, crab, fish, or what else, shells. You go to the sea and you are the one who cuts. O, diba? So, tingnan natin ang ating niluto, guys. Kaya malapit na po siya maluto, guys. Ayan. Tingnan natin na dito tayo sa kabila. Baka matakpan ang ating kamay. Ayan po ang ating niluto. Ayun sila nakahiga na. Yummy, yummy. So, yan lang po ang ating video, no? So, na po tayo. Thank you for watching, guys, no? Thank you for watching. Today, my video is not long because I am only doing a 1 hour video if I got at hometown, I got in a vacay. So if I'm here long in Manila, it is only 20 minutes, like that. Then if I'm going to Bohol, so you know who are my supporters, why my video is long. Because if you are going to vacation, sulitin mo yung pagbablog mo, kasi once in a lifetime you go in Bohol. Oh, guys, when I was going to go home in Bohol, almost 5 years before I going there, because I was there in Bohol last 2019. Then I was go back 2024. Oh, almost 5 years. I'll not go home in Bohol. So I am very thankful because I have friends like Astron Remy. He is the one that gave me the opportunity to vacay at Bohol. So thank you for that, Astron Remy. More blessings to come, and I am thankful because I meet you here inside in my YouTube world. And guys, hindi ko po siya inanap. Pusa po siyang dumating. So Astron Remy is, the song na give me you na like that. So thank you guys for supporting Inday. So someone hates me because my vlogs is 1 hour. Oh my god, you don't understand why I do that, because ayaw ko pong mabitin tayo sa pag-uusapan natin. Why I do long video, because I'm not always in Bohol, so I do everything what I want, that. Hope you understand. I know editing, but sinadya ko talaga, guys, na my vlog as 1 hour 43 minutes like that. So thank you for all my supporters. Huwag po kayo magsawa. So this is in the Marlskia na Bohol. Storytelling. So I have 20 minutes. So I end my live. I say bye-bye. See you around, guys. Mwah, chok chok. I love you all. I love you so much because you love my channel. Bye bye.